All right. Good morning, Mr. G.
Good morning.
All right, let's do your lesson plan feedback. And thank you for submitting your lesson plan on time. First thing is your PBO was written correctly. Second thing is, second thing I looked at was your exit ticket. And I can't tell if your exit ticket was aligned with your PBO because I know you're directing your students to Delta Math.
Mm-hmm.
If you can pull up your Delta Math and let me look at those questions to see if those questions are aligned with your PBO.
All right, sure. Did my Chrome just updated? Okay. All right, so here.
Smoke coming from. Don't forget my dad, bro. That was problem.
All right, so here are the questions.
Okay.
So the goal is to make sure students get to practice what we learned today and make sure they're getting conceptual understanding, congruence, and what the PBO says. So it's asking them to map using Regge transformation to map one figure to another one. And what it does is making sure congruence means equal. So just doing the mapping to make sure Regge transformation means congruence. Yeah.
Okay, good. And so if you would do me a favor moving forward, if you would just put like a screenshot of those questions, and then I can see if they are aligned with your PBO, your XT, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Sounds good.
All right. Next thing is I noticed was that you didn't have a hook in this lesson. So let's see if we can find a hook.
Yeah, the hook, usually I use a video, and I put the video in Hello Smart.
Okay.
So that's why when I transfer this lesson to Hello Smart, that's why I link the video
Okay.
to the lesson.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why you don't see it here.
Okay, okay, got you.
Yeah.
All right. All right, are we moving on to your I do and your we do? Okay, great job there. Okay, it is aligned to your PBO. All right, the we do is also aligned and it matches the I do. All right, and I see that your you do in pairs, and I like how you have it written on there with the tiers, so the students will know where they're gonna go, the tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. And I also like how you have the extra credit on there.
Okay.
Good job.
Thank
So if
you.
they finish early, they'll know what they need to do.
Yeah.
And they won't be sitting idle. Your check for understanding is also aligned with the PBO. Great job with that. Okay, also with your closure, and I know I like how you incorporate writing into your geometry. The one thing that I want you to do is also align it back with the PBO. So so instead of just having them write 3-sentence summary, just make sure they align that summary with the PBO. So let's go
Okay.
ahead and make that correction.
Yeah, so so one thing that I do, I have this as a general guide, but when I go to Delta Math, when I go to Hello Smart,
Okay.
it had different templates there. So sometimes I just pick a template that will ask them to summarize the lesson with six keywords from the PBO.
Oh, okay. Can you show that to me?
Or maybe it will just ask them to, suppose your friend didn't come to school, how would you summarize today's lesson? So it has different templates that I use every day. So
Okay. I think I have seen that in your lesson. In the Hello Smart.
I think one time you came to see one that says write 3 big ideas
Okay.
and 1 question. So that's one of them.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that's the one you had one right here and the one right here.
Yeah.
And the one. Okay.
And then 1 question. So
Okay.
that's one of them.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Good job. So you didn't have much to correct in your lesson. You always submit a great lesson plan. The math department always submit a great lesson plan. All right. You have any questions for me?
No, not at this time. Yeah, but I will let you know if I have any questions. Yeah.
Okay.
I see
Y'all
a good
all-
one.